So guys, what's going on? This is a video by Scientist 239. So guys, welcome back to this video. This is a video where I had gone to IKEA and have brought few stuff out here, which is like very nice and good. So here is the time when we upgrade from power tools to, and this is me recording while there is an audio issue. So this is the screwing machine and yeah, the screws I had shown, I guess. Yeah, I had shown the screws and now we have brought many stuff here. Some are in the box and some are in the yeah the some are unpacked and yeah, like subscribe, like, share this video and I'm just so kind of glad that we could do a lot of stuff out here and yeah. So there's this comes with many types of pins like the straight 3, 4, 5, 6, the screwing, the drilling, and the extender, and we get hexagon and all those kind of stuffs out here. And I would just like to say that it's a very worth investment. I bought it for 1,500 on offer, and uh, just ignore the video because there was an audio corruption. So I'm going to speak where it's required. So guys, let me meet you at the point where I'm going to show you the next product. Here I have the new thing, that is the wooden kind of metal thing, and it's a shelf, and it comes with the metal part like I'm holding right now. And let's see, this is the frame, and yeah, that's the slab that is there. That's the slab, and the simple explanation right there. The nuts are going to screw on in such a way that the small part of the uh, wooden piece where the groove is given for the nut for the both side, the small part from the nut should be for the spot at the top of the metal frame where it's bent so that it could be wall mounted. So that's how you mount it, and it's for my stability reasons itself. And it comes with a allen key, a screw, and two of those. And now, yeah, uh, and we fixed this thing at a very easily thing, kind of, yeah. So you guys can watch it and enjoy it. So just continue watching it. It's just a waste amount of an uh, commentary. If there is any important stuff, I'm going to notify. And yeah, so we have this wooden holder kind of thing, and that's the slab right there, and this is a slab, and that's the side pieces, and there is a stick with it. So we put the stick into the grill that they have given out there, and do the same on the other side. Okay, so when you do that, you can go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and do it. After that's done, you can just keep it upon it. You have grooves for the screwing, but you have to be aware that mm, the holes are at the bottom side where it's long from the rod and you can observe it. And yeah, the supportive rod on top it will be small, on bottom it will be long. That is how you figure out that it should go like that, or you can search for the hole. Both are doable. And by the way, guys, I did not mention in the first. Uh, I have got this new uh, the the drilling machine or the screwing machine to be particular. I have bought it so that it would be easier for us. And most of I have built a lot of things. It consists of a lot of screwing that need a lot of patience and hard work, energy. So this makes our lives a lot easier. So taking down new holes is also option with this thing. So many people suggest not to use screwdriver when you put new holes in the wood and the screw by screwing it like at the wood, and you try to screw it, it sometimes it breaks apart. But when you do it with the screwing machine, it does not happen. That's the plus point of the screwing machine. uh, with you, if it is there, it would be likely helpful for everyone. So there is not like, it's not like bad investment or such kind. And so I have got the pin and I'm going to just screw up everything. So this is also from IKEA, this screwing machine. So this comes with this screwing machine alone is a thousand and a half, and thousand and a half, and the the bolt and the extender, the drill pins and the screwing pins, they all are a different kit, and they are around 600 on our original price, but I got it at 300, same as the screwing machine is one and a half. I got it for one, so just yeah. Eh, Totally, it took me thousand and a half on offer to get both of them. So using this thing is very easy, but when you're using to screw up the things like from already pre-glued or something like that, if you're screwing with that, then be careful while you use it, because sometimes it's gonna go way worse than you guys would think. That worse, like in a situation where you guys uh, can indeed drill a different hole and break down the wood. So I prefer you to be careful while you're using. And here you go. This thing is ready, and this joints help you to just all. It's stable and very worth of investment. Yes, worth of investment. So guys, like, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys get a tutorial upon this. And the metal stand at the first I showed you is from Home Center, and the wooden stand is from IKEA. Both are really cheap. You can buy it, and it's worth of investment. The metal one, it comes with an extra screw. If I haven't tell it to you, it comes with a wall mounting screws and wall gripping stuff, and that plastic thing that you get it. So you get the point, I guess. Yep. And now I would just like to say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. So guys, there will be a part two next, where I assemble it in a different thing. I am going to be assembling with the same, and it's a very exciting one. You guys would like to see, but I have brought the kit so that I can build and show you guys. But there is a problem, like not like that kind of problem. Like what happened here is I have at a time shortage, so I just did two of the small things for this first video. So in the second part you would see a different thing and a large thing, so I would like to say. And thank you for watching this video. This is a video by scientist to the